just admiring your own work?
I'm looking at what's to come. I've been proper stitched up there.
What is to come?
A rather large Coke can. And the car. What I wrapped 3 weeks ago, I've got to now wrap again.
Why?
Because now it's going from Diet Coke to Coke Zero.
You don't seem happy at all.
I mean, I'm happy. I'm employed. But yeah, it's going to be a task, isn't it? Done a right good job of that. That car's bang on.
You're admiring your work.
Yeah.
You gotta take it all apart.
Yeah, I know. I don't like it.
Why is the floor sparkly?
The floor is sparkly because, again, I left them for a week and they caused chaos. So we had a great peel board. Dan decided tinting was hard, hit the peel board, smashed it, and now all the glass is over the floor. So with Hetty and a pick, they're picking it all out one by one. RS6 ticked. Now, how much footage have we got of this car, Nath?
Well, we've got what it was like before,
Yeah.
but then it kind of jumped forward.
Why is that?
I was ill.
So you've missed the transformation on this car and it's all his fault. Some people here, me included, thought it was a crime to wrap over the original colour, because if I was going to have an RS6, I reckon I'd want it that purple. Customer wanted a green like the AMG GTR green. This is as close as we could get. Now it's complete, it looks incredible because it's a bright colour. You now see all the lines. We've done black mirrors, black handles, black roof to go with the black wheels, and that just tones down, because when it's a bright colour it always looks better when you've got some gloss black to go with it. Interior's got all the carbon.
I really like the interior.
Interior's nice. So, we're done.
Show me this design.
Need to put that on the vehicle.
It's going across the whole van.
Yeah, it's going on the sides and the rear. But they've given it to me like a designer would give it to a designer, so they haven't compensated for any of the shape of the vehicle or anything like that. So I'm going to have to move a few things around, I think, based on the design and the vehicle.
So, very special car. We don't see many of these. That's because there's not many left. So, we've got a BMW E30 325, and it is absolutely perfect. I can just show you. This is as new as you will ever find an E30 BMW. Just look at it. It's not even an argument. So let me get that. Where was we? And if you're going to have an E30, it's got to be in Dolphin Grey. It is in for PPF. We're just going to do some common areas. So after that, we're going to get it back. Obviously, there's no pattern, so this is all going to be a custom job. So now PPF it and you can just enjoy it there.
Are you getting rid of the silver as well?
No, just the text.
Why are we wrapping over the silver?
So we're going to wrap over the silver. It says that there's no point charging the customer to remove this wrap, which is flawless. We're not going to remove the wrap. Where's Duncan's script? Oh, hang on, he's WhatsApped it me. Yeah, Ben's still doing nothing, he said.
Oh, I said nothing but nice things about you, and then you're coming
That
up
was
with
a compliment. I meant nothing wrong. You see, you cut me off too soon. We're going to wrap over it, Dan, because the wrap is flawless. But also, to save the customer money, because there's no point removing it when we can just go over the top. When we take the red off, eventually, then we'll take the silver with it. Okay. Can you load it in so I can do the other one? That makes sense. That's training, not watching me fail.
You've been training how long? So, I learned this in sailing, right? You make a plan.
Oh my God.
You make a plan. Where are you off to? Go on, explain. What's the plan here? Go on.
My plan is, this is what I've been taught.
He's blamed age so much.
So once you've done the top, start here.
Why the...
That's
going to start there. I've squeezed this.
All good? Go and check it.
No need, mate.
What, because you loaded it? You wouldn't check your own work? You're that confident?
Yeah, I'm confident.
Wow. I'm going to check it. Good job, mate.
Thanks, mate. Because of the age of the car, there's no computer patterns, which means we've had to make it all. Which means knives. And I'm doing all the close pieces like this where it's actually on the paint. So the idea is you don't cut through the film, you just score the top surface of the film, then pull the film away, then the knife never actually touches the paint. It's just the corner, so they've been able to do everything else. So I will just tidy this up, mate. And you just pull it off like that. There's companies out there that say they never do knives. It's possible to do this job and never use a blade on PPF. Obviously we use computer patterns to minimise the use of knives because there is always the risk, but at the same time how we manage the risk here is I'm the only person that does it.
All I'm saying is, if you want a sandwich, go get a sandwich. Wait for the sandwich van and get one from there.
No, it's not good enough. That's a Monday to Thursday kind of job. On a foot day and Friday, you need a proper sandwich. Listen, Dan, sandwiches are happening. I'm making it happen. You know why? Because like Nathan said, I am the alpha and I am getting sandwiches. And all this, look, why I'm working. So creative.
Are you happy now? He was. You should have heard him earlier, Duncan. He was complaining.
Look,
Yeah,
now.
believe that footage,
What?
don't see that.
No. Stu complaining. Nah, you got the wrong person.
Thank you, Duncan. Duncan knows how positive I am.
What is that sandwich?
It's sausage, bacon, mushroom, cheese and beans.
It looks like a mess.
Look at that. So succulent.
So the E30, it's all done, ready to go back to the customer who I'm pretty sure has missed it very, very lot. Very lot. BMW E30. Yeah, you got to get into it. BMW. BMW E30, it's all done, ready to go back to the customer who I'm pretty sure has missed it lots and lots. So what we've done is full front PPF. It's all been custom made, as you've seen. Protected the lights, protected all this. Bonnet, wings, mirrors, A-pillars, all the bottom of the doors. You cannot tell this car's got PPF on it, which is obviously, it's the goal always, but especially on an old car like this. With the amount of detail that's gone into it, I did not want the PPF to detract from the amazing car that it is. So yeah, get it on the trader and get it back to the customer.
You overlook my strength, don't